Hello guys, it's Tech City and welcome to Tech City. Today I'm going to show you how to download and play PUBG Mobile on PC. So first of all, what you have to do, open your browser, open it. Okay, then write Tencent Gaming Party. Tencent Gaming Party. Open it, download it. It is an installer. I already have it, so I'm not going to download it. It is an 8 MB file. Okay, I'm closing it. After downloading, you will get this file. This is an installer, online installer of PUBG Mobile on PC. Open it. Then press start. After starting, it will take some time. Depends upon your network. That how fast is your network. It is about 2 GB of file. Okay, I'm closing it, but you have to start it. It will take a while. After this, you will get this. This is an PUBG Tencent emulator. Opening it, I'm going to show you how does it works. Okay, then press and play. It will take some time to load. It is loading. If you want to see the specifications, I'm putting the link in the description. You can see the specification of PUBG Mobile emulator. And now it is started. Loading. Still loading. You have to wait some time. Take some time. Okay. It is starting now. I'm going to show you that how does this works. Keys mapping is simple. You'll get to know about this when you start this. Okay, I'm going to play an arcade match to show you how does it works. Okay, quick match. I'm starting it. I'm starting a solo match. Okay, let's start. It is an official emulator and it is legal. You will not get banned if you install this. Okay, I'm in the match. As you can see, I'm in the match. Yes, I'm in the match. It is loading. Okay, I'm in the plane. It's lagging a bit because of video recorder. As you can see, it is functioning normally as you play in mobile.